This is a board I made. This is going to control emergency lighting, sirens, and the communications equipment on a fire vehicle. This will be a chief's truck. So here's a momentary. And this will be a left arrow. And once again, the left arrow. This will be a split, as you can see. And it'll be a split up front. I won't show you the right one. We don't need to see that. I do have work lights. Left side work lights. Right side work lights work the same exact way. This is strobe pattern number 1. I have 3 strobe patterns set. I'm not going to go through all the strobe sets at this time, but I will show you the dim mode. It does have a dim mode for them. At some point in time, I'll make a video of the truck with all of its lights in place. There will be headlights, parking lights, daytime running lights, fog lights, license plate lights, reverse lights, and tail lights that will all blink in patterns with everything else, in conjunction with everything else. A lot of work, a lot of time went into this. I'm a little disappointed at how much time I've got into it, but it's a lot of work. And keep in mind, you got to deal with CAN bus technology, so you can't interrupt that either. I appreciate you watching. This is Pee Wee Slough 1963 with Pee Wee's World. Just one of the things I do while I'm working is work on equipment and vehicles. Like I said, thank you all for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Thumbs up, subscriptions, everything's welcome. Cheers, you all. Have a great day. Thank you.